Spring and summer have finally arrived. All the birds sing, and many animals wake up from the hibernation. The sun is very warm, and it's very nice walking inside a forest. The grass is much greener, and all the colors emanate pure energy. The chant of the flowering gardens regenerates dormant passions. The nature speaks to us every day of our lives, every single day. Plants and flowers bloom on their own, and everything is perfect in the life cycle of existence. People, nature, animals are full of mystery, full of mystery. My friend Magnum enjoyed the couch, thinking about the next meal, probably. And me, we stay here for a while, near the sea, captured by its magic and strength, completely alone.